Good morning, everybody. We are on our way to Vandeventer Shelter, and it is 9.1 miles from here. I get to walk around Lake Wautaga part of the way to get there. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, and it is 43 degrees. I'm really excited about today. It rained all day yesterday, so it's not supposed to rain today, and I'm really excited about that. This is what the trail looks like this morning, and you can hear cars. I had to cross over a road from Boots Off Hostel, and that road is a very busy highway, lots of semis and cars. Plus it's 8 o'clock in the morning. I guess people are going to work. This is breathtaking. The colors are wonderful. Look at all the little berries on this tree. I wonder what kind of tree this is. That's interesting. I haven't ever seen these before. That is beautiful, watching the steam come off that water. Awesome. We are coming up to Wautaga Lake Dam. We're 3 miles in, just a little over 3 miles in. Blaze is up here. Oh, okay. So you keep on going around, see the blaze up on that rock? This way, Appalachian Trail, over Dam Road, 1.3 miles. Wow, that's beautiful. I'm going to have to ask Stacy what this means. I've never heard of this before. Let me tell you something. I had to eat my Wheaties to get up that hill. Whew! Okay, we've come up to a sign. Visitor center straight ahead. We're turning left. Wow. Whew. All right. Appalachian Trail north. You can see we're completely socked down. These are the boulders that I'm going over. It is on a quite steep descent. It doesn't look like it, but it is. And these leaves are all wet and slippery because it rained all day yesterday. I thought I would stop for a minute and tell you that I had a pretty rough hike hiking from Dennis Cove to Boots Off Hostel. My feet were a 10 out of 10 by the time I got there. That was a hard hike. It was over 2,000 feet of ascent and rocky and very steep. It was very difficult for me. I decided that I was going to take a day off at Boots Off to recover, and they were so gracious. They gave me a laundry bin and filled it with Epsom salt and ice from their freezer, and I soaked my feet and got my Rology ball out and worked with my feet and muscles, and did that a couple of different times while I was there. It helped a lot. And this morning I got up, my feet feel fresh, and I am enjoying this hike, although I'm not very talkative today. This seems to be a day where, you know, sometimes we just need to stop and listen. We don't need to talk all the time. And I'm just thinking about a lot of things today and pondering and meditating and being grateful for being out here and thankful that I have a supportive husband and for the viewers that support me on my channel. I just ran into one. His name was Downshift, and he said, "I know you," and I said, "I'm sorry, I don't think I've met you." And he said, "I watch your channel. I've seen you on your channel." And I said, "Well, thank you. I'm really honored that you've done that." He's a very nice gentleman. He was doing a section hike today and said that he would be hiking the AT next year or the following year when he retires, and he's really looking forward to that. And then I met a young man named Shaman, and he was not with his tramley. His tramley ended up being at Boots Off yesterday. There were about 7 of them that came in due to the pouring down rain, and I don't know where he stayed or how he hiked, but they're doing 25, 26-mile days, and he's trying to catch up with his tramley. He was a very nice young man. So I'm not sure how much more I'll be sharing today, but I am very happy. I feel at peace, and I feel very, very grateful. Very grateful. I have just come from this direction, and this is Wautaga Dam Road, and the AT continues on down that direction. Look what they did. They put marks on the asphalt. Well, that is about as considerate as you get. I've never seen this on the trail. That is awesome, Tennessee. Okay, whatever trail clubs in Tennessee that did this, well done you. And that's the trail right there. I just started up, and here's a sign, a danger sign saying bears are active in this area. Alrighty. We are entering Big Laurel Branch Wilderness, Cherokee National Forest. Yay! That is a brand new sign. That's pretty. That's the direction we've just come from. This is one of my favorite times to hike is in this weather. My husband and I, when we were dating, we took hikes in this weather, and it was so sweet. I loved it. It's reminding me of him today. I miss my love. I've only run across 2 people today, and that's been okay. Today's just been a reflective day. Sometimes we need to just be quiet and listen, and just listen. Sometimes we can hear a whole lot more when we're not talking, right? I love this. This is an awesome day. And I'm seeing these berries. I don't know if bears like these, but I can only imagine that one of the reasons bears are active in this area right now is because there are a ton of these. One of the things I'm thinking about today is memories. The memories I have with my husband, hiking in the woods like this, falling in love with him. You know, memories are gifts. Bad memories, good memories, happy, sad. Every single one of them is a gift. And the reason I say that is because they can make you smile. They can make your heart swell. They can remind you that it was a good decision to stop doing something or stop being around somebody. Memories are gifts. And I treasure mine. As tragic as they've been and as wonderful as they've been, I treasure them. It's kind of a different way of looking at things. I've been thinking about the individuals that write me offline to share their sorrow about losing someone, or that their significant other is ill with a terminal illness or just very sick and they don't know when they're going to recover or has had an accident. And I can tell you from personal experience, I get it, I understand. You know, when you love somebody and you care about them, when they get cut, you bleed. And that's tough. It's not to diminish what they're going through, but it's hard on the other person as well. So for those of you that are in these situations, I want you to know that I often think of this saying, when I am weak, he is strong. Power and strength come from above. You do have to reach down into your boots to find yours, but on a day when you can't, and there's nobody else around to lift you up, friends, family, he is always there. I've had to lean on that so many times. I don't know if that's going to help anybody. I have felt very convicted to say this today. Just know that someone cares and that he cares for you. Because even when a little sparrow falls to the ground, he knows. And how much more does he care for you than a sparrow? A storm is coming in. It has started raining. The temperature's dropped 5 degrees just in a matter of minutes. I've got 3 miles left to go. There was no rain in the forecast. Ugh. And this little puddle is my water source. That's all the water there is. It's supposed to be 25 degrees tonight and windy. So it's going to be a cold one in the shelter. Thank y'all for joining me for this video. Y'all take good care, and I'm so glad that you were with me today.